Well, news back home now, and in Delhi, many anxious parents have their fingers crossed as most of the city schools will release their first admission lists for nursery today. And this year is also the first year that's going to see 25% of the seats, in fact, kept for the economically weaker section. Well, for more, let's go across to Aanchal Vora, who joins us from outside one of the big Delhi schools, and Kashish as well. Aanchal, of course, many anxious parents must be there at the school, though a lot of the list will come out online as well. What are you hearing? And this year is going to be a huge number of seats reserved for the economically weaker section.
This is one of the most popular schools in the capital, and thousands of applications the school has received. We've just been told around 3,000. And the seats available were 90, out of which 22 were for economically weaker section. The school has already put up the selection online on their school website. We did meet a few parents here. Obviously, thousands of people are going to apply for one of the most popular schools in the capital. A lot of disappointment, not only to economically weaker section, parents coming from EWS category, but also the general category, who said that maybe they do welcome the fact that more EWS students would be studying in good schools, but are disappointed because I met several parents who had not got admission in 7 schools. When I met a parent who applied in 10 schools, and this was her 7th try and still has not got admission. So lots of disappointment, but great, huge step by Indian government and by the schools. The school received some 400+ applications from EWS parents and did a draw, and through that picked up 22 students that belong to the economically weaker section. Gargi?
Right, Aanchal. Well, let's go across to Kashish. Kashish, now it's an anxious time for parents, and for the last couple of years, rules, in fact, for admission have been changing, and this year, as we've been mentioning, seats even less for the general category as the economically weaker section get 25% quota.
Well, Gargi, that's correct. We're actually outside the Shri Ram school in Vasant Vihar, and their lists are supposed to be out in the next 5 minutes. But of course, many of the lists have already gone online, which is why the number of people that you actually see waiting outside are not that many. But of course, the crucial element that every parent is going to be watching out this year is, aside from the point system, the fact that the Right to Education makes it compulsory for schools to have 25% seats reserved for economically weaker section, means that parents like these who we have with us, Rupali has applied to 15 schools and Mrs. Kamaljeet has applied to 24 schools, and they're going to be doing the rounds of so many schools today, but yet she feels that there is no hope. Ma'am, do you feel that there's any hope that your child is going to make it at all in some schools?
No.
Why do you think that is?
Because we just have points for neighborhood. That's it. We don't have alumni, we don't have sibling. They're first children, both boys. So where do you stand?
And this year the number of seats have also reduced because of the economically weaker section. How do parents who are in the general category feel about that? Because essentially it's affecting you. While of course it includes the model of social inclusion and in education, but parents like you get to lose out for your own child.
What we want is that they should have more seats, or either they can divide, say like they have divided 25% for EWS, they can have one criteria, the neighborhood. Maybe in general category they can divide 50% seats for the neighborhood and rest 50% for the sibling and alumni.
How, Rupali, I know that you're struggling with admissions, but how do you feel about this, having your child sit in a class with economically weaker section students? Do you feel that that's a larger education for your own child?
No, I don't feel anything bad about this. That's very good for the India point of view. See, if our kids are sitting with those kids, it's not a shame for us. They are going to learn something out of that.
Okay, well, of course, that is the larger reason why this has been made compulsory. Of course, many schools are struggling to implement it, but how they manage to implement it, how it actually pans out, is something we'll have to wait and watch. Gargi.
Right, the challenges, of course, remain ahead. Thanks, Aanchal and Kashish, both for joining us with